time she got a wrong thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent.
Well, I'm glad that the weather person, see how I did that? Weather person? Yep, because I'm not a racist. Well, I'm glad they were wrong, because they said it was going to, they said that we were going to get freezing rain from 9 a.m. and it was just going to be crazy. 10 milliliters, 10 millimeters of ice. But, hashtag blessed. No ice, no freezing rain. Oh, now it's time to hit the gym. Let's get it. Peace. Whoa. Alright, day 2, Planet Fitness, I'm here. That's going to be quads, hams, and core. It's going to be a good one. Day 2, quads, ham, and core. Out of the way, done. But the weather people, they weren't all that wrong. Starting. Drive safely, guys. Well, it's just this kind of day.
Why would I? Ever since she got here, choir just sounds awful. And honestly,
God sent me an angel.